friends, welcome to our channel English Group. I am Professor Shashikala Jadhav. Today in this video we will see the poetic appreciation of the poem The Soul written by Victor Hugo and translated by Indian poetess Torulata Datta. Let's start to discussion about the poetic appreciation of the poem The Soul. My dear student, there will be activities on poetic appreciation for 4 marks in your board examination. Activity will be asked like read the extract and write as per instruction. Scene extract of 10 to 15 lines from another poem not asked in question number 3A. म्हणजे क्वेश्चन नंबर 3A मध्ये जो तुम्हाला स्टांजा दिला जाईल ज्या पोएम मधला त्या पोएम व्यतिरिक्त इतर पोएम मधल्या 10 ते 15 लाईन्स तुम्हाला पोएटिक ॲप्रिसिएशन साठी दिल्या जातील. त्यावरती तुम्हाला बोर्डाच्या परीक्षेमध्ये पोएटिक ॲप्रिसिएशन लिहायचं आहे. अबाउट द पोएम, पोएट अँड टायटल. The Soul, this poem was written by French poet Victor Hugo, also pronounced as Victor Hugo, and translated by Indian poetess Torulata Datta. The poem is about the soul and his tirelessly hard work and persistence. The poem is about the praise of his dedication. The title is very appropriate to its theme of the poem. The soul is the central character in the poem and the whole poem is about him, about the soul. Theme of the poem. The poet has described the dedicated farmer who tirelessly works hard with a huge expectation of having a good harvest. The farmer shows true perception in his assessment of scattering the precious grain in the farm. He has seen many bad harvests in his life. Still, he hopeful and optimistic about his bright future. म्हणजे आपण आपल्या जीवनाकडे आशावादी दृष्टिकोनातनं पाहिलं पाहिजे आणि वर्तमानामध्ये आपण आपलं काम करत राहिलं पाहिजे. हाच कवीला या कवितेतून सूचित करायचं आहे किंवा ही या कवितेची मध्यवर्ती कल्पना आहे. Poetic devices, language and style. The poet has used various poetic devices to create the scene in the mind of the reader. He has used figure of speech like alliteration, inversion, personification, antithesis. He has used imaginary and symbolism. The rhyme scheme is ABAB, providing a pleasing rhythm to read aloud. The language has used complex language. The poem has 20 lines. Special features, novelties and focusing elements in the poem. This is an allegorical poem in which the soul representing the qualities like dedication, perseverance, optimistic aspiration. This is a descriptive poem. The special feature used in this poem are imaginary and symbolism. The poem has two aspects. One is hard work of the farmer and second is vivid description of the dusk and sunsetting. Message and moral values of the poem. The poem gives very important message. It brings into focus the importance of the farmer and his unrecognized service to society. One needs the farmer for one's very survival. We must have positive attitude, strong determination, optimistic attitudes towards future. My opinion about the poem. Friends, this is my opinion about the poem The Soul. Your opinion may be differ from mine, but I have given my opinion about the poem in brief. The poem is very interesting and realistic poem. The poem is effective to create positive optimistic attitude in the mind of reader. I learn from this poem, dedicate myself to hard work in order to achieve success. Service to man is service to God. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, पोएटिक ॲप्रिसिएशन हे 4 मार्काला आहे आणि तुम्ही त्याची व्यवस्थित तयारी केली तर नक्कीच या ठिकाणी तुमचा स्कोर होऊ शकतो. थँक्यू. And don't forget to subscribe our channel to get notification about our upcoming videos. Thank you.